Once you've cut out your pattern pieces, you need to select the correct thread, and I have some top tips for you. If your fabric has a pattern, try to select a thread colour that matches the background colour of the design. I have 2 threads here and I'm trying to select which one is going to be the best one for my project. The top tip is to unravel some thread from each of the spools. I now have both threads laid out across the fabric, and I'm seeing which one of these reds blends into the background the best. Selection made, so now it's time to thread the machine. Before sewing your garment, I would always suggest to take some scraps of fabric. A double layer is good because you'll typically be sewing seams of double layers. And sew for about 1 inch or 2, it doesn't need to be any great length of stitching. And then remove that from the machine just to check that the stitches on the top and the underside are nice and even. And I always pull the pieces apart just to check that the stitching looks nice on the inside too.